Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own image or picture as a watch face. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Xiaomi Wear application. Once the devices are paired, open the Xiaomi Wear application on your phone. In the application, tap on the profile icon, then tap on the watch faces. Here, select the online option or category. Now find the photos category right here. Tap on more to open the whole category. And right here we have a couple of choices. We have album hands, album digital, album digital 2, and album digital 1, and this is album digital 3, my bad. Basically, this is the layout of the watch face. You can select one of them. For example, we can select the album hands, and here we can change the style, basically what kind of widget is gonna be at the bottom of the screen. We have heart rate, steps, weather, and battery, I believe. I'm gonna select the battery, and then we can add a photo, and we can add up to 8 photos, as you can see. So let's tap on the plus button. Then select the folder, for example, download. And here we can select the pictures, for example, this one. And we can crop the image. Basically, we can zoom in, zoom out, move around, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area, it's gonna be on our watch face. Once you're done, tap on OK. And here we have a preview. And if you want to have only one photo as a watch face, you can tap on apply. It's gonna be applied to your watch. You can also add more, so I'm gonna add one more. For example, this one. Like that. And as you can see, now we have 2 photos. Let's tap on apply to apply them. As you can see, applied successfully. And here we have our own picture as a watch face. And I believe they change every time you wake up the screen on your watch. So if it's gonna turn off and you wake it up again, it's gonna change, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.